Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Vonage, a popular VoIP service. I've been using Vonage for a while now, and I've been really impressed with it. One of the things that I really like about Vonage is that you can connect multiple phones to your account. So, in this video I'm going to answer the question, how many phones can connect to Vonage? I'm also going to be talking about some of the other benefits of using Vonage, such as unlimited calling to the US, Canada, and Mexico, low international calling rates, voicemail, caller ID, call waiting, three-way calling, conference calling, and much more. So, if you're thinking about switching to Vonage, or if you're already a Vonage customer and you're wondering how many phones you can connect to your account, then you're in the right place. How many phones can connect to Vonage? The answer to this question depends on your Vonage plan. Here are the different plans that Vonage offers. Vonage Essentials. This plan allows you to connect up to 3 phones to your account. Vonage Business. This plan allows you to connect up to 10 phones to your account. Vonage Business Elite. This plan allows you to connect up to 20 phones to your account. So, if you're not sure how many phones you can connect to your Vonage account, you can simply check your plan. Other benefits of using Vonage. In addition to being able to connect multiple phones to your account, there are a number of other benefits to using Vonage. Here are a few of the benefits that I really like. Unlimited calling to the US, Canada, and Mexico. This is a great benefit if you make a lot of calls to North America. Low international calling rates. Vonage offers some of the lowest international calling rates available. Voicemail. Vonage's voicemail service is easy to use and allows you to check your messages from anywhere in the world. Caller ID. Vonage's caller ID service allows you to see who is calling you before you answer the phone. Call waiting. Vonage's call waiting service allows you to put a call on hold and then answer another call. Three-way calling. Vonage's three-way calling service allows you to add a third person to a call. Conference calling. Vonage's conference calling service allows you to hold a conference call with up to 10 people. How to connect a new phone to your Vonage account. If you want to connect a new phone to your Vonage account, here are the steps you need to follow. Go to the Vonage website and sign in to your account. Click on the My Devices tab. Click on the Add a Device button. Select the type of device that you want to add. Follow the instructions on the screen. Once you've completed these steps, your new phone will be connected to your Vonage account. I hope this video has answered your question about how many phones you can connect to Vonage. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. I also hope that this video has helped you to learn more about the benefits of using Vonage. If you're not already a Vonage customer, I highly recommend giving it a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and healthy.